It's not fair. Why? Hi, boy. Did you help Ate get her dress? Did you help her? Ang cute-cute nilang dalawa kanina. Dinala siya ni Ayla sa taas. Sabi ni Ayla, help me get my dress. Sumama din siya. Hawak kamay sila umakyat. Ang cute-cute. Come here, Buboy. Okay, I'll help you. Oh, you got it, baby. Well done. Good job. You're welcome. And headband, of course. All right. I'm here. Come on. You know how to do it? Ayla, can you hold Arlo's hand? You took him upstairs. Come on, he needs your help. Ate's coming. Oh no. He doesn't want you. Why? It's Ate. You silly boy. Come here. You're Supergirl. Supergirl. One. Count.
3, 4,
9. Yay! Huh? Nani, no, not today, baby. Maybe on Friday. Huh? You mean why? No, Nani's not here, guys. Huh? Because she's busy too. She's got stuff to do too.
What's she doing?
I don't know, maybe golf, maybe aerobics, maybe having lunch with friends, or brunch. She's busy. Good morning! Happy Monday! Kakatapos lang nila mag-breakfast, tapos nagpalit si Ayla. Dapat mag-dress talaga. Oh, hello! Hey, buyag-buyag. Go play. Daddy's working.
Daddy's not in football.
Daddy's not in the football, no. Not yet. Do you wanna go with Daddy to footy?
Daddy's with his friends.
Oh, Daddy goes with his friends?
Yeah.
That's okay. A truck. You wanna go with Daddy's friends?
Yeah.
Okay. You can watch football with Daddy's friends. Ooh. You wanna play soccer? Soccer? Ooh. How about Alo? What sports do you wanna play, Alo? Basketball? Football? Soccer? Oh, fighter. Alo's gonna be a fighter. Oh. Sus, buyag-buyag ng mga bata ah. Masarap yung tulog nila. In fairness kay ate, natutulog na siya mag-isa sa bed niya. Nandun pa din ako sa kwarto, but siya na lang mag-isa sa bed niya. Kasi nandun ako kay Arlo. We are slowly getting there, guys. Slowly getting there.
Why?
Nothing. I told them that you slept on your bed again on your own. You're such a big girl. Don't pop the ball. Good morning. Morning pa, guys. I will prepare Ayla's lunch for Tuesday and Thursday. So we have a puff pastry here. One sheet of puff pastry. Napato ko na to ng konti. So it will just be ham and cheese and a little bit of tomato sauce. Do you want to help Mama? Make your lunch? Oh, grab your chair. Grab your chair. Ang dami naming tomato sauce. But I'm choosing this one. It's okay. Just put a little bit. Oh, this one's not open yet. You want to help? Konti lang.
How to do it, Mommy?
You wanna do it? Let's wait, baby.
Yes. Okay. Oh, I'm having to do it. Oh.
Just spread, spread, spread.
Why? Why?
Just spreading it.
Why are you spraying it?
So you get tomato sauce in every bite.
A bite?
Yes.
Why?
So it's yummy for you.
Why?
Why?
Oh, Mommy sauce.
Yummy tomato sauce, right? And then I'm gonna need your help to
And eating my food.
ham and cheese. Oh, are you okay, Buboy?
Mommy, I want my auntie.
Oh, ang sarap ng ham ate ah.
Mommy.
Yummy ham.
Mommy.
So I'm just gonna spread the ham.
I want cheese. What time you want, Bo? What time you want, Bo?
And ang maganda dito, pwede mo siyang i-freeze, guys. Tapos, i-air fry or i-oven mo lang siya on the day. Kasi hindi siya ganun katagal. Maluto. Why? Can you... Do you want to go on the chair too? What do you want?
This one's.
Arlo, what do you want? Kunin
This
lang
one.
natin yung mga bits and pieces ng ham.
I would say, I want cheese, Mommy.
Yeah, just wait. We'll put cheese too.
I'm a pepper, please. Mommy.
Baby. I'm here. You can see me. I'm here. Can Arlo go on the chair too? Do you want to go on the chair too and watch?
No.
What? No. Okay, no fighting. Come on, Arlo. Hold Mama's arm. There you go. I said share the chair with Arlo. Guys, relax.
It's mine.
Ay, nako talaga itong mga batang to. Okay, this is enough. Arlo, don't push, please. Don't push, Ayla. Please, please. Masaya ka kanina nanonood ba eh. Alright, wait. I'll wash my hands. Jump, don't jump. Here. Move closer to Mama. Alright, okay, Ayla. My kids. Okay, here, I'll give you cheese. Go to the table. Go to the table. There you go. Do you want cheese too? Okay? Alright, here. Is that what you want? My gosh. Guys, 10:50 pa lang. Walang tigil kain tomato. Nag-breakfast. Nag-snack na ng maraming beses. Ngayon, kain na naman. So, lagyan lang siya ng cheese. And then, it's time. So, ito, pwede mo siyang i-air fry. Pwede din i-oven. Pero kung hindi ka pa ready, pwede siyang i-freeze. Very freezer friendly. Recipe na to. Siya recipe. Recipe yun. Tapos i-fold mo lang siya in half. Like that. Mabilis ang fold.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Yummy cheese.
For my mommy.
Sorry, baby.
Yum.
Ice cream, yes, please. I want strawberry ice cream, please. Yum, yum. It's not cooked yet, mate.
I take it.
Do you want this for lunch?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, so ganyan na yung itsura. Tapos iti-twist lang siya, guys. And then kapag i-oven mo na siya, mag-brush ka lang ng egg sa kanya. Kaya lang, hindi ko pa kasi ito yung oven. I'm just making it to store. Kasi bukas pa gagamitin ni Ate Ayla. So, i-twist mo lang siyang ganon. There you go.
Papa Pure.
Ayan. There you go. Tapos i-dikit mo lang yung dulo.
Mommy, I was not eating this.
Alo doesn't eat it. Okay, you can have it.
Thank you.
And then, meron akong container dito na nilagyan ko lang ng baking paper. Sa ilalim para hindi dumikit. And then, ilagay mo lang siya tigisa.
I like that, Mommy.
Tapos, meron na din akong naka-ready. So, after ng isang layer, ilagay ko to sa taas. But yeah, this is really good to freeze.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
I am back here. It's 2:55 ng hapon. Maaga pa, guys, but Arlo's sleeping. And nag-edit ako kanina, hindi ko natapos kasi sumakit ang aking ulo. So rest muna from editing. And let's start preparing our dinner. So yung lulutuin ko mamaya for dinner is arroz caldo. Kasi na-miss ko ang arroz caldo. Tagal na namin hindi nakakapag-arroz caldo. And i-ready na natin to habang walang disturbong mga bata. This is for dinner later, baby.
Why?
Lugaw. Mommy will make lugaw.
For school?
Huh?
For school?
For what?
For school?
For school? Aw, I already made your lunch for school. That will be ready tomorrow. Are you excited?
Yes, I do.
Aww.
I know why.
You won't cry. I know. You don't cry anymore. I'm so proud of you. Such a big gift.
Mommy put that on the desk.
Where? What is it?
I mean,
Oh, no. You're gonna sleep early tonight because we're gonna wake up early tomorrow, okay?
I'm in my own bed.
I know. You sleep on your own bed now. Oh my gosh, baby.
And you put our sleep.
Exactly. While I put Arlo to sleep, you sleep on your own bed.
Yes.
Yes. Such a big deal na, oy.
Mommy, watch this.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that looks really yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 5:06. Gising na si Arlo. Masaya naman sila. So, let's start. First, oil. And then, ginger.
Mommy, that's it for me and Daddy and Owl.
Okay, I can go with you and Daddy and Arlo. Of course.
Daddy and Owl.
Yep, Daddy and Arlo's going too.
Mommy and Mama.
And Mama, of course.
And Aya.
And Ayla. We all go?
Yeah.
Okay.
All go.
We all go. It's so fun. Alright. Ginger. Sinadya kong malalaki yung ginger kasi ayaw namin kumain ng ginger. So, hintayin lang na maamoy mo na yung ginger and then isusunod ko yung garlic at saka onion. Ayan, amoy ko na yung ginger. Isunod ko na yung garlic at saka onion. Hinalo ko na to, guys. Nandito na ang garlic at onion. Isang buong garlic at saka isang buong maliit na onion to. So now, ilalagay ko na yung chicken. So this is chicken breast. Kasi kay Dan, chicken breast yung kanya. And hindi ako magpapatalo. Meron akong buto-butong chicken. Ang sarap niyan sa arroz caldo. Maglalagay ako black pepper. Marami. Halo-halo. Hilaw na hilaw pa yung chicken, pero ang bango-bango na. I can smell the ginger, the garlic, the onion. Maglagay na ako ng fish sauce.
And one for you.
Yan lang.
It's all for you.
Thank you. And isunod ko na din yung malagkit natin, guys. Konti lang. Yung pinaghugasan ng rice. Chicken broth. 2 cups yung meron ako. So, buhos ko na lahat. And then, more tubig. Hayaan lang natin itong maluto. Cover. And then, mamaya, balik-balikan natin para halu-haluin. Okay na to, guys. Luto na. Okay na din yung lasa. Hindi ko na nilalagyan ng pampakulay kasi wala naman. Kasi hindi kami nasanay sa arroz caldo na may kulay. Kapag ako nag-arroz caldo, lagi talagang ganito lang. Ba, yan. Nandyan yung mga chicken breast ni Dan and ang mga buto-buto for me. Alright. Chicken breast for Dan and kids. Okay na to, guys. Patayin na natin. And sana dumating na si Daddy para ang sarap ng ating ulam. Ay! Magbuboil pa pala ako ng egg. Alright. Bahay na si Dan. So, let us do this. Kanina pa ito luto, guys. So, nag-ano na siya. Nag-expand na ng bongga ang ating rice.
Now that is finished.
Now me too.
Lick your fingers. Okay, ready? Open up.
Uy, kayami naman! For Danny boy. Ito naman yung akin. Buto-buto. Kain. Kain tayo, guys. Meron akong calamansi extract dito. Pero mamaya na. Ito muna. Nakakamiss. Is it too big, my love?
Yeah.
I made it big because I have bones.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure that you got yours and not the bones.
Cheers.
Why bones?
I put bones as well in there for me.
Why bones?
I like bones.
Yeah, it's so hard. It's so hard.
Yeah, bones are hard. I don't eat the bones.
How's it?
Really good. I like it. Try it.
Oh,
You eat
flavor.
dog food. You eat dog food.
Hindi na niya kailangan ng ano, kalamansi.
Did you book in a time for Friday?
Yeah.
Post office.
Okay.
I'm good.
Why are you for your arm? And water's in the hair. Is water in the hair?
Water in your hair?
Yeah.
You have water in your hair? Yeah, do you want water? Later, when we take a shower, you can have water in your hair. Hello, do you want to go to the park with Daddy?
Let's go.
Okay.
I'm turning for mommy. Oopsie.
Careful, Alo.
My button hurt.
Isla, come here so I can tickle you.
Give it down.
Alam niyo bang nagpark tong mga to?
Daddy, you turn.
Oh,
Tapos umuwi, naligo. And now, we're getting ready for bed.
Bad.
I'm wearing this tomorrow.
Yan yung cabinet na gusto kong i-ano sana kanina. O, i-assemble. Kaya lang nasa baba yan. Ang bigat-bigat. So, ngayon, pinaakyat ko kay Dan para bukas i-assemble ko, Ayla.
Rainbow.
It's nice.
It's rainbow.
Who's sleeping on this bed?
Me and you. Me and Daddy.
Are you sure? You and Daddy? Arlo, what are you doing?
I'm so tired.
Ay, nako. Sobrang daming nakakalat na mga ganito. Oh. So, pag na-assemble na natin yung cabinet, ano na to, maliwalas na tong kwartong to. Ngayon, apakadaming makalat na mga toys. Hala, hala. Stuffed toy fight.
Yes.
Hoy, ate. Come on now. Bedtime na. You have school tomorrow. Si Arlo.
Fighting.
Poor Arlo.
Oh, you this. Fine.
Oh, you right, baby? Pero lumalaban talaga siya. Lumalaban siya, oh.
I got hurt.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Poor Arlo. You okay, boy? You okay, boy? Where's the unicorn? Daddy. Nooy kasi Arlo.
It's my turn.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay, boy? Oh. Parang pillow fight lang to, pero stuffed toy. Stuffed toy fight with Daddy. Stuffed toy fight with Daddy.
No, no, I still not fighting.
Hello, careful.
Are you okay?
You right?
Sorry, Princess.
Meron pala kaming palighting dyan, oh. Kaya lang wala pang cabinet, so hindi ko pa siya malagay sa ibabaw ng cabinet. Ang ganda niyan, guys. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang ganda niya. Na, ano siya, projector siya, tas light. Ang ganda. Looks nice. Wow.
Being purple.
You wanna try other colors?
Yeah.
Purple.
Whoa, red.
Another time.
Red.
Another color.
Yeah.
Purple.
Purple. Really nice.
Not purple and pink.
Purple and pink.
Yeah.
That's blue and purple and pink. Light blue. That's light blue.
But I like blue.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I
I
love that.
like that.
Ooh.
Green.
Green.
Let me see, mommy. Blue.
That's nice.
That's nice.
I like that. Changes colors.
The stars don't change colours, they're always green.
Yeah, the stars are always green.
Stars.